Man called Scissor. Mr. Scissor. Man called Scissor. Mr. Scissor. Man called Scissor. Mr. Scissor.
All right, everybody, welcome back. Sorry I've been a ghost, but I'm still here. And today I bring you the VGR Muscular, the V-285. You guys been telling me to grab this for a minute. Here it is. I know you can see I already got the TPO BXO blade on it. Got those laying around, so I try them on different machines, and it fits right on here. First things first, it feels nice. It feels robust. It feels tough, which is fitting for the name. It feels, wow, that's interesting. It felt thicker than the 003, but then when I put them side by side, it is exactly the same size but shorter. It's interesting. Exactly the same thickness but shorter in length. Felt thicker. Some people like the way these feel in the hand and some people don't. I actually like the way it feels in my hand. One thing I can say is, from turning it on, is I feel like it's a little bit more powerful than the 003. They both are supposed to get 9,000 RPMs. There's first gear, second gear, same blade. This one feels more powerful. It's a little lighter, but feels pretty heavy still because it's so short. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 clicks. Shows you the measurements right there. USB-C, battery display, 5 volts, 1 amp, same as the 003. Battery, I'm gonna have to look that one up, or maybe you guys could tell me in the comments. Is this the same battery size as the 003? This one's 2000 milliamps. I don't know, I don't remember what this one was. It's been a while since I've used this machine, but I really like this machine. Quick run through the blade. Very similar to the 003 blade that came on it. I swapped it out. The XO blade fits on it. Very easy. No modifications. USB-C just like the 003. Battery display just like the 003, but in a smaller package. Nice click lever. Feels like a more solid click from the VGR 003. Both of them got 4. This one's a little more loose feeling. This one feels a little stronger and harder clicks. But it does feel more powerful, and it feels nice and premium in this small package with the smooth finish. I'm not a fan of the black and yellow, but it looks cool. And the nice upgrade that came with this guy is from half to a number 4. You get the VGR magnet guards. They also come with the 015, which are nice guards. I really like them. They're the first set of guards that came with the clipper that I use. I use them on house calls sometimes. Not bad guards. Not the greatest, but not bad. This is a nice little clipper. I would actually recommend getting this over the 003 just because it comes with some decent guards. It's a little bit more premium package. That's it. I like it, guys. I like it just like the 003. You said I would, and I did. Overall, great machine, just like the 003. I really like this design. I really like this machine. It has everything you need. Maybe not in the most premium feeling to some people form, but everything you need. USB-C, battery display, very quiet machine, 2 speeds, click lever, and can fit other blades. Comes with great guard set. That's definitely an upgrade from the 003 if you don't mind it being a little shorter. And that's it. We're going to keep it simple. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for being patient. I know I've been ghost, but we're back at it and we're on to the next one. Like, share, subscribe, drop them comments, and we're on to the next one. Scissor hands out.